how to replace your tail light assembly and reverse bulb in your 2011 to 2014 Chrysler 200. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. To change the reverse bulb, we're going to need to pull out the entire tail light assembly, but it's actually a simple process. There's a plastic clip here that has to come out, the second one here, and the third one right here. Once these clips come out, we'll be able to pull everything back and get to the tail light. I'm going to pull the carpet back and get that out of the way. Pry up and remove the plastic clip. Same thing here. And there's another one right here. So pry up on the center section, go underneath, pull out the entire clip. So now we'll just pull the carpet forward. So right here we see the two plastic wing nuts that we need to undo. We can do these by hand. And with the two wing nuts out, I'm going to pull out the tail light assembly. So I'm going to disconnect the connector, and then the reverse light bulb, we need to turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. We can take the assembly, set it aside. Now we can replace the blown reverse bulb. To remove the bulb, just grab it, pull it straight out, just like that. Take the new bulb, snap it into the housing, just like that. And now, I'm gonna take the bulb, put it into the housing, and turn it clockwise to lock it into position. Going to reconnect the electrical connector and put everything back together. The installation process is just the reverse of the removal. Just take the tail light assembly, line it up, and push it into place. Then we'll grab the two plastic wing nuts and fasten them back onto the tail light assembly. After that, we can put the carpet back in place and install the three plastic clips. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.